How to turn on show local audio files on Spotify. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn on show local audio files on Spotify. First go to Spotify and then click this one to go to settings and then go down. You need to find this category, and then you will find this one, show local audio files. Just click on it and then click allow, and if you want to turn it off again, just click on it. And that's how to turn on show local audio files on Spotify. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.